You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing, scary names from different creatures as well, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you in English, and there are different pronunciations, I believe. There's a Thai pronunciation. This is a Southeast Asian folklore creature. There are different pronunciations depending on the country, essentially. Krasue is one of them. Some say it as Krasue as well, but in English it's often pronounced Krasue. So it's kind of up to you. I would say it personally as Krasue. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.